So why do my sketches not show up as fully defined when everything is black? Hey, Tyler Beck with Tech and Espresso. So the question came up, how come I have a sketch like this, everything looks like it's fully defined, it's all black, but it's not showing up as fully defined with the little lock in the sketch icon. So it's not showing as complete, right? So what's wrong with it? When we go back to edit it, first thing, when I start dragging things, nothing moves. Everything is kind of staying put, so that's good. It's located to the origin somehow with some dimensions, so that's good. So what's missing? Well, I noticed there are some construction lines here, and I drag those move. They're actually not hurting anything. They are defined. Construction lines can effectively be infinite in theory, but Fusion still views these as not completely defined. So if you notice, they are the same length. They are equal, it looks like, because I drag one, they all move. So if I do a dimension on the length, so now it looks great. That little lock shows up and it is fully defined. So this might be a little gotcha for you guys that are trying to do your best practices and get everything fully defined. So if you're just getting started, check out these beginner tutorials that I made for you, as well as this other video that's recommended for you. Thanks for watching.